Rialto Silver is a specific additive for water-based paints, a product included in Rialto Casarmonia products line. Rialto Silver gives a pleasant sparkling and fine metallic effect to the chosen finish. This is made possible thanks to the presence of micronized and stabilized in aqueous dispersion metallic flakes. It's available in 125ml packages to facilitate the usage. The suggested percentage of use is 2 to 3%, and it's obtainable by adding a full pack of silver to a 4 or 5 liter pail of water-based paint. Shake well before use and disperse uniformly by hand stirring or with the use of a low-speed mixer. Apply the product following the common procedures of indoor painting. Rialto Silver can be added to any water-based paint with neutral pH. Anyhow, the best result, tested and suggested by Harpo, is obtained by adding the product to Rialto Dipinto, a water-based paint created to achieve especially bright shades. A selection of modern and trendy colors is available in the color chart Casarmonia. Once dry, Rialto Silver will give your small or big walls fine and characteristic light reflections.